Have you ever wondered about the variety of trash liners available at your local supermarket? Just like nails or screws, each trash liner is designed for a specific purpose. Trash liners are categorized based on 1. Liquid capacity in gallons. 2. Dimensions in inches. 3. Thickness in miles. 4. Load capacity or load ratings in IBS, min. 5. Density value in grams or cc. 6. Tear strength in grams. Other factors like color, intended waste material, and additional features also differentiate these liners. For example, biohazardous waste liners differ significantly from those used in the food industry. Choosing the right trash liner for your office can be simplified by considering the type of waste it will handle. Lightweight materials like paper require lighter liners, while production areas with wood waste need low-density liners. High-density liners have a crisp feel, like tearing paper, while low-density liners are more elastic. These characteristics help determine the most suitable liner for your needs. Plastic trash bags, derived from polymers discovered in the past century, have become integral to our lives. From Parkesine in 1862 to celluloid in 1870, plastics have reshaped our world. But with their benefits come environmental challenges. Today, we face the unforeseen consequences of plastic's longevity and its impact on our planet. Addressing these issues requires pragmatic solutions and a blend of alternative products, educational initiatives, and global willpower. In a market overflowing with alternatives, balance and pragmatism are key. Our objective is to guide you towards this harmony. For more details or to start a dialogue, contact us at victorferia.com.